Hello, my name is Natalie Castillo. This is my final project for my oceanography lab. And this is my world, which you can see I have a rift draft here because right there I actually have a divergent plate along my continent, which I have four continents. And I'll get into this continent right here later on. But right here I have a divergent plate boundary going down. And within the divergent plate, I thought it would be appropriate, since the plates are moving apart each other from here to here. And you see, I don't have any plates here, but there is a continent and they're not together like here. I thought it would be good to put a rift valley since they're moving apart from each other. And then I also have a mid-ocean ridge here, going down, leaving the divergent plane, going to the convergent, which can be subduction zones here, as you see on my other convergent plate boundary, which here, as they collided, as the two continents collided, it had taken away my continent Lais and made it go underwater. So this one is actually underwater due to subducting on the margin here and here. And now there are the mountains formed. And then here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I have plenty of oceanic, continental, convergent, oceanic, and continental convergent. And this right here, my pink, means it is a transform plate boundary, which you see here. I have shown how the plates are moving past each other and including fault lines, which actually there's a fault line through here, through the convergent plate, as California has our fault lines, which is San Andreas. I thought I should have one also for here. And you can see the earthquakes that it does cause. And it's kind of tricky because right here, I made it so close, just like in relation to California, even though it's just one in the US, since we're on the coast, it's constantly moving. So maybe if I were to redo my planning in about a year, or no, in about 10 years, it would be possibly collided together. Who knows? But this is the salt water, and this is the fresh water. Salt water is a darker blue, as more dense, and the fresh water is a lighter blue because it is not as dense. And you can see my two divergent plate boundaries, my 3 convergent boundaries, and 1 transform plate boundary, although I had shown a little more here. And I also added the earthquakes along because those are all ways that earthquakes can be happening. And I do have island arcs along here, continental arcs, underwater mountains from this transformed mid-ocean ridge. So this is my world. Thank you.